What's up, guys? Been a little busy since the last time that I saw you guys. So in the past couple weeks, I've done a couple things. I've ordered a front splitter, some side splitters, rear diffuser, also got some fenders, and of course I'm still waiting on the hood from October 28th. So been pretty busy with that kind of stuff, but you know, it is what it is. But part of the project car life I've learned is you have to be patient.
And knowing is half the battle.
Things you order and they take weeks and weeks and months. So I ordered these fenders because they were on sale, and I'm not going to see them until the middle of February. So I'm kind of like waiting on bated breath for everything. So yeah, outside of that, you know, still enjoying the ride. Christmas come a little bit early.
Oh yeah! It's that time of year again!
Anyhow, it's good to see you guys again, so let's get into it. So after ordering all those parts, this is kind of what I had in mind for my car. Or at least what I thought it might look like.
You serious?
Anyhow, earlier this week, I received a couple of deliveries. Oh yeah, there it is. Gift for Daddy.
Yeah, cakes and pies, cakes and pies.
Oh, bike rails, alright. Let's get this bad boy in the house. Can't let you guys see my dirty dishes, can I? Alright, let's see what's in here. BikeRes.com. But you guys want to know what's in here, don't you? You know what? It'd probably be better if I set this thing on the counter out the way. Who thinks they know what it is? Come on. Come on. Tell me.
What is that, velvet?
Alright, let's see. So much tape. Why? I don't know why, but still. Alright. Let's open it up. Oh. No, let me show you what it is. Front splitter. Finally. Gonna get some good air on this car. That's all the stuff that it comes with. So I got my little wings there. Very cool. I don't know where I'm supposed to put those. Is this an air freshener?
Turn that some sideways and stick it straight up your candy.
Oh, they gave me the screws too. Very nice. Screws and brackets. All right, cool. All right. I don't know what those are, so I'm not even gonna deal with those until I'm ready to put this thing on. Oh, thought they didn't give me these. I was gonna get a little upset. Oh, they're black too. Okay. Kind of figured they'd be silver, but you know, it is what it is. Oh. Uh-oh. I guess they are what they are. It's not a lot of space. They're pretty short. Oh no. So mind you, this is my first time doing this, so I don't know if they're adjustable or something. Maybe? Possibly? No? No? Alright, whatever. That'll work. Alright, cool, cool. Alright, so let's go put these bad boys on. Hey guys, so tonight what I'm doing is I'm taking off the front bumper so I can put on the front spoiler. So, been going through some things here. Seems like the bottom, the undershield is held on with zip tie. I'm just gonna cut those off really fast and see if I can get this taken care of. All right, so you see, we got it all taken apart. Let me turn on my little headlamp here. Boom! Look at that, look at that. Okay, see? All right, so that's looking good, looking good. So I told you I bought this off of a guy who crashed it, right? He said everything under there was good. Oh, he lied. He got me.
Got him! Got him!
Look at that. Look at that. Oh, you probably can't see that. Look at that. He got me. That is all jacked up. There's also supposed to be a rather expensive piece of styrofoam that goes here. Costs like $100. But I'll get that later because I'm not really worried about it. But yeah, he got me, man. But I guess that's part of the project car life. So whatever, you live and you learn. It's nothing too crazy, and get it replaced pretty easy. So what I'm doing here is I took off the front bumper to put on the front splitter. Also, another surprise. I got my cold air intake. Boom. So I'm looking to install that since I have the front bumper, and that actually, the intake part sits right in here, the filters, and it's going to come all the way up through this tubing up in here, come through all the way up to here. So I've got to take the strut brace off, take off the K&Ns, probably sell those, and install it. So I'll keep you guys posted on that, and here we go.
Many hours later.
Did this one off camera because it was so much work. The first time I did it, it was really hard, so I really couldn't concentrate on keeping the camera still, or there was no good place to mount it. But finally got the front splitter on here. As you can see, it's from Vicrez here. I love the splitter. It's kind of not super aggressive, but aggressive enough. I do like the little wings on the side there. Just come around here. And there's one there. Sorry, the lighting in my house is bad. All right, so I already got some of the bolts out on this. Boom. So if you don't know this already, if you're taking something apart, put it somewhere where it can be found. Preferably keep it in one spot, because trying to find it after doing all this is never fun. It's a big girl. It's a big baby. Get your heavy butt out of here. All right, here comes the fun part. Disassembly.